Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull paper trading on your computer. First, understand that paper trading provides a risk-free way to practice your trading skills using virtual money. To begin, simply log into your Webull desktop application. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click the small icon that looks like a circle with a dollar sign. This will take you directly to your paper trading account, usually pre-funded, with 1 million virtual dollars. Now let's place your first paper trade. After selecting the paper trading section, use the search bar to find a stock, ETF, or option you want to practice with. Once you've chosen your instrument, open the order ticket. Here, you'll decide whether to buy or sell, and select an order type like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade and then confirm your order. Once your paper trade is placed, it's crucial to monitor its performance. You can easily view all your open positions and any pending orders within your paper trading dashboard. If market conditions change, you have the flexibility to modify or even cancel your orders before they are filled. The platform provides real-time updates on your virtual portfolio, allowing you to track your simulated profit and loss, helping you learn from each decision. To truly benefit from paper trading, regularly analyze your performance. Webull allows you to review your full trade history, helping you understand what strategies worked and what didn't. You can also use the integrated charting tools and technical indicators to refine your approach. If you wish to start over, perhaps with a different virtual capital amount, or to clear your trade history, you can easily reset your entire paper trading account at any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.